In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Facebook Messenger to GoHighLevel. Connecting Messenger to GoHighLevel brings all your Facebook page conversations into one place, so you can respond faster, track leads, and streamline follow-up without switching tabs. I'll walk you through the process and share a few helpful tips to make the setup smooth. Start by opening your GoHighLevel account and make sure you're in the correct sub-account, sometimes called the location, where you want Messenger connected. If you manage multiple locations, the integration is set up per location, so double check you're in the right one before proceeding. Look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click Settings. This is where GoHighLevel keeps all account level controls, including integrations. Once you're in Settings, find and select Integrations on the left-hand side. This page lists the apps and services you can connect to extend your account's capabilities. You can browse through the available options here, but to get right to what we need, use the search field at the top. Click into Search Integrations and type Facebook. That will filter the list so you can quickly locate the Facebook integration for Messenger. When you see Facebook appear, click Connect. A new window will open prompting you to log in to Facebook. Sign in with the Facebook profile that has admin access to the page you want to connect. During this process, Facebook will ask you to grant permissions that allow GoHighLevel to read and reply to messages on your page. Keep these permissions enabled so messages can sync correctly. If you manage more than one page, you'll be asked to choose which page to connect. Select the page you use for your business and confirm. When you're done, the window will close and you'll return to GoHighLevel with the integration showing as connected. If the Connect window doesn't appear, check that your browser isn't blocking pop-ups. If you don't see your page listed, verify you're an admin on that page in Facebook settings, then try again. It can also help to refresh the page or reconnect if you recently changed permissions. Once connected, new Facebook Messenger conversations will start appearing inside GoHighLevel's Conversations area, where you can reply, assign messages to team members, and track outcomes alongside SMS and email. As a quick tip, send a test message to your Facebook page from another account to confirm everything is working as expected. And that's it. You've connected Facebook Messenger to GoHighLevel, centralizing your customer chats and setting yourself up for faster, more organized communication.